Becoming a trillionaire is an extraordinary feat. And while no one has reached that level of wealth yet, there are certain careers that can potentially lead to immense riches. Certainly, while becoming a trillionaire is an incredibly ambitious goal, let's focus on high-paying careers that could potentially lead to substantial wealth. Here are some jobs that pay well and might help you building significant financial success. Investment bankers act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers of companies. They advise clients on acquisitions, mergers, stock offerings, and more. While it's a demanding and stressful career, it can lead to substantial financial rewards, potentially reaching seven-figure or even billion-dollar salaries. Author. Becoming a successful author requires talent, persistence, and dedication. While the process of writing and publishing can be grueling, landing a book deal can lead to significant earnings. Notable authors like J.K. Rowling, who penned the Harry Potter series, turned their storytelling prowess into immense wealth. Entrepreneurship and business. Starting and scaling a successful business can create enormous wealth. Entrepreneurs who identify consumer needs and develop innovative solutions can amass significant fortunes. Think of visionary entrepreneurs like Elon Musk, who founded companies like Tesla and SpaceX, or Jeff Bezos, who revolutionized e-commerce with Amazon. Tech innovators. The tech industry offers immense opportunities for wealth creation. Founders of groundbreaking tech companies such as Bill Gates, Microsoft, and Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook, have become billionaires through their innovations. Real estate investment can yield substantial returns. Building a strong portfolio of properties, understanding market trends, and strategic acquisitions can lead to immense wealth. Financial services professionals. Careers in banking, finance, and investment management can be lucrative. Many billionaires work in these fields, leveraging their expertise to grow wealth. Pilot. Airlines and commercial pilots transport passengers and cargo via aircraft. With a national average salary of more than $100,000 per year, this profession can provide a solid income. Pilots need training certification from the Federal Aviation Administration and sometimes a degree. Communication, problem solving, and observational skills are crucial for success. Actuary. Actuaries use math, statistics, and analytics to assess a company's financial risk. Their primary duty involves analyzing data to predict future events. With the natural events with a national average salary of more than $120,000 per year, actuaries play a vital role in insurance, finance, and other industries. A strong background in mathematics and analytical thinking is essential for this career. No individual has claimed the status of trillionaire just yet, but a net worth equal to at least $1 trillion in US dollars or a similarly valued currency is not unattainable, but it will be a couple of years yet. In the United States, the title trillionaire refers to someone with a net worth at least $1 trillion. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe channel, like video, share video with friends.